packing box, storage bag, watch pen, clamp watch, manual and accessories are complete. Disassemble the back parts and put in two AAA batteries. AC current. Adjust the corresponding gear and clamp the single-stranded wire with the pliers to measure. Adjust the corresponding gear, and a beep will sound when a nearby power supply is sensed. DC voltage. Adjust the corresponding gear and contact the positive and negative electrodes of the battery. AC voltage. Adjust the corresponding gear. The commonly used AC voltage in the family is about 220V. Resistance. Adjust the corresponding gear, and the stylus can contact both ends of the resistance. Diode. Adjust the corresponding gear and contact the positive and negative electrodes of the diode. Buzzer. Adjust the corresponding gear, turn on the red light and sound a beep for normal smoothness. Capacitor. As shown in the video, short circuit discharge is required before measurement. Frequency. Adjust the corresponding gear and contact the AC voltage.